Blackness Castle, situated on the southern shore of the Firth of Forth in Scotland, has a rich history dating back to the 15th century. Built in the 1440s by Sir George Crichton, it served as a residence, fortress, and prison. Its strategic location near Edinburgh made it significant for coastal defence. The castle's narrow, elongated design resembles a ship, earning it the nickname the ship that never sailed. Throughout the 16th and 17th centuries, Blackness Castle played crucial roles in military conflicts, particularly during the Wars of the Three Kingdoms and the Jacobite uprisings. In the 19th century, it was repurposed as an ammunition depot before being retired from military use. Managed by Historic Environment Scotland, the castle is now open to the public and has appeared in popular media, including Outlander and Mary Queen of Scots. One of the most persistent legends surrounding Blackness Castle is that of a ghostly figure said to haunt its corridors. Some visitors have reported seeing a shadowy apparition or feeling an eerie presence, especially in the castle's older, darker areas. This figure is often associated with a former prisoner or soldier who met a tragic end within its walls. During its long history, Blackness Castle served as a state prison, especially for high-status individuals, many of whom were political prisoners. One legend speaks of the immense suffering endured by prisoners held in the castle's cold, damp cells, and it is said that the wails and cries of those who were tortured or executed can still be heard echoing through its halls. Some legends suggest that Blackness Castle hides buried treasures left behind by retreating armies or pirates. Although no treasure has ever been found, treasure hunters and adventurers have occasionally been drawn to the site in search of gold or precious artifacts. Scottish folklore often includes tales of phantom pipers, and Blackness Castle has its own version. According to legend, a piper was once sent to explore a secret tunnel that supposedly ran from the castle to the nearby village. He played his bagpipes as he walked so that those above could follow his progress. However, the sound of the pipes suddenly stopped, and the piper was never seen again. Some say that on quiet nights, the distant sound of bagpipes can still be heard near the castle. Locally, Blackness Castle is sometimes called the ship that never sailed because its shape, especially when viewed from the sea, resembles a ship with a bow, stern, and deck. There's an eerie tale linked to this ship-like shape. A legend suggests that a ship was cursed at the castle's port, causing it to sink before ever setting sail. This doomed voyage is said to have left its mark on the castle, forever trapping the spirit of the vessel in stone. Blackness Castle represented some of the interiors and exteriors of Scottish castles in this historical drama Mary Queen of Scots, 2018. The rugged and windswept look fit well with the film's portrayal of 16th century Scotland.